Hello and welcome back. Today I have this radical problem. Square root of 54 square minus 48 square minus 6 square. We have to simplify this but without using calculator. So let's get started and see its solution. First of all, we are going to swap over the values 6 square and 48 square. Minus 6 square minus 48 square. Here we are going to use algebra identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So for that 54 square minus 6 square we are going to use this. It will be equal to 54 plus 6 times 54 minus 6 minus 48 square. Now this 54 plus 6 is 60. 54 minus 6 is 48 minus 48 square. 60 times 48, and this 48 square can be written as 48 times 48. We can factor out 48 from these two terms, and inside bracket we have 60 minus 48. This is equal to square root of 48, and 60 minus 48 is equal to 12. We can write 48 as 16 times 3 and times this one 12. We are going to write 16 as it is, and 3 times 12 is 36. We can write it as square root of 16 times square root of 36. We know that square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 36 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. That is the final and required answer. I hope you find this solution easy. If so, please thumbs up and share this solution with your friends. Thanks for watching.